how to unfollow someone on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just like this one here, just click on his profile, and as you see, all you need to do is just click here unfollow, and then just wait. Let's do it again, just click on it, and that's it as you see. And if you want to follow him again, just click follow, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.